In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount line item in QuickBooks Online, a quick and easy process that will take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First off, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Begin by clicking on the Sign In button. If you're already familiar with QuickBooks, this should be second nature, but if you're new, look for the Sign In option on the home page. Once you've clicked on it, go ahead and select QuickBooks Online from the options that appear. It's always important to ensure you're accessing the right platform as QuickBooks offers multiple services. Now, it's time to type in your login credentials, enter your registered email address or username, followed by your password. Be cautious with your details and verify that everything is correct. QuickBooks will then guide you to click on Continue. Once you've logged in successfully, welcome to the main dashboard. The next step is to create a new invoice. You'll need to locate the New button on the dashboard. After clicking New, you'll see several options, but what you're interested in is the Invoice option. Select it to proceed. An invoice is essentially a billing document you send to your customers, and here is where we will be applying a discount. With the invoice template open, start by adding your customer's details. Properly filling this section is crucial because it ensures that the invoice is addressed correctly. Type in your customer's name or select it from the existing list if you've previously added them to QuickBooks. Now you need to include the products or services you're invoicing for. In the section labeled Product Service, enter the details of what you're billing them for. This could be products, services, or both depending on your business requirements. Always double check your entries for accuracy as it helps maintain clear records. Next comes the exciting part, adding a discount. Look for the discount field or option in the invoice template and input the desired discount amount or percentage. Discounts can be a great way to encourage repeat business or thank loyal customers, so it's useful to know how to apply them correctly. Once your invoice looks good with all details filled out, the final step is to save your work. Click on the Save and Send button. This action will both save your invoice within QuickBooks and allow you to send it to your customer via email directly from the platform. It's a seamless process designed to make billing more efficient. And there you have it, your discount line item is successfully added to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Practicing these steps will make you adept at managing discounts, enhancing your efficiency in managing online accounting tasks for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.